Hello everyone, and welcome to our third piece in our journey through the jungle, Recorder Minis. Today, we are talking about a composition called In a Yellow Mood by Sílvia Lanao. In this piece of music, you can hear lots and lots of birds singing in the rainforest. There are so many that at sometimes the music can sound a little hectic. The music is set in the rainforest, but at the moment there's something missing. The rain. How do you think the rain would sound in a rainstorm? Is there the pitter-patter of tiny quiet raindrops, or is there a big noisy thunderstorm with big fat raindrops? Imagine the rain falling on the leaves of the trees, on the damp ground, or splish-sploshing in the river. How would these sounds be different from each other? Now, try making some rain sounds yourself. If you have a recorder at home, you can use that to make lots of interesting rain sounds, like this. Can you think of any more? You can use any size of recorder that you have at home. You can play your rain sounds along with us on the In a Yellow Mood video. Pay attention to when the birds in the rainforest are loud and when they are soft, and try and keep your volume the same as us. You can write down or draw the way that your rainforest sounds. Just click on the link below for the worksheet. And once you've finished, you can send in a recording of your rainforest sounds to us. We can't wait to see what you come up with.